Hello, everyone. Welcome to Nokadigitals. My name is Isaac Owari. I am the founder of Nokadigitals. I'm a web designer, a graphic designer, and I also have a team that repair mobile phones and laptops. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how to develop a website for free using Wordpress and then the tools called WP local or local WP. WP stands for WordPress in short. So you can develop a website even if you don't have internet or you have a limited access to internet. All that you have to need is what? Your local WP and a small internet that you use to download some certain plugins and then themes for your website. Aside that, you can off your data and then you start working on your website. I've made a video on how to install the local WP. You can go to my YouTube channel and you will get the video there. Search for Nokadigitals and then you'll be able to click on it, access to the video. Under it, you find the link to download the local WP. So I've put the link there for you to download and do the necessary settings. Let's get started. So now I'm going to open the local WP. So if you have already installed, you open it. Open it as shown here. So I'll click on it to open. There's it. It's on my desktop. So double click to open the link, the software. Okay, so when you open this, how it appears. But here, where you have select a site, since mine have worked with it, it's not showing up. But yours is new, you see select a site here and then you click on it, or you come to the plus sign over here and then you add your local site. So you click here, make sure create a new site is selected. We are not going to use create from a blueprint. I will later show you how to use this one or two. So click on continue and then enter your site name. You enter your site name here. So we are going to learn how to create a simple school website. So I will say, let me use my school, Commercial SDA Basic School. Okay. Then here we can change our domain. Like you can change the domain. So let me change the domain. You see, it's a commercial dash west dash DA. So it's not looking nice. Right. So let's change the school name to commercial west. I'll use WSDA basic dot org. It's dot org because I've changed. Let me go in for dot com. Later I'll go and change it there to dot com. Or let's maintain the dot org. I don't want to waste time. Dot org. And then you click on continue. Your preferred, make sure it's selected. When you click here, meaning maybe you want to change the uh, PHP version, but I will not go in for that. Apache, I will not go in for any of them, and then I will maintain the. So select preferred and click on continue. Enter your username, so admin, and then your password. Also, you enter your password. Make sure you have a strong password, and then also under the here under the email, you will see a default email over there. Make sure you log in with your email address, and then you are good to go. You see something like, is it email address? You see something like DEV, I've forgotten it, DEV dash email at wpengines.local. So you change your email address and click on add site, and then wait for it to install the necessary things. So after adding the site, wait for it to finish the process. I know a lot of people are interested in learning websites and web designing, but due to maybe financial problem to purchase a domain and the hosting, they are not able to reach their goals. That is why I've come out with these tutorials so that I can help you people to be able to learn how to create a website. And when you become master of yourself, then you can go in for a domain. As a web designer, you have to have your own domain to create a website that will go live for everybody to see the work that you are doing, right? Okay, so let me accept this. So let's wait. Please don't allow the challenges that you are going through to distract you from reaching your goal. So far as you are determined to become a web designer, I encourage you to work hard towards it, and then you'll be able to achieve. If you are a teacher and you are not abreast with let's say those teaching ICT, your children will disgrace you. So don't waste this opportunity. Now, if I may ask, why using WordPress and not other tools? I haven't done a lot of research on it, but WordPress is now becoming the number one or third platform for designing a website. Yeah. And it's free of charge. You won't pay anything for it. Others you have to pay before you'll be able to access. So majority of the web designers are now patronizing WordPress. Okay. So now our site is ready. So you see our site domain is looking nice. Kumesu WDA basic.org. You can change it. You can change it. Let's set our SSL. So I want to set this SSL. So click on draft and accept this. Okay. So what else can we do? We can also change the domain. The domain is the .org, basic.org. For training purpose, let's maintain it. Now, let's look at how our site look like. So click on open site. Click on open site and let's see. So this is our website, USDA Basic School website. Yes, and we are going to work on it. So if someone will call you a designer, what does it mean? Before you become a designer, it means you are able to create something beautiful. Um, Someone will call you a designer because you design beautiful things for that person. And then now, when we click on this, it will send us to our admin or WP dashboard, WordPress dashboard. So let's look at that one. Okay, it's asking us to enter our username. So my username was admin, and my password too is admin. Please make sure you use a strong password. This is for training purpose. That is why I'm showing you the password I use. Creating a website, make sure you have a strong password. So click on login, and then it will bring you here. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Now let me show you another way. If you don't want to be entering your password anytime you log in, this is what you do. Let's close this. When you come to this side, you see one click admin. Under it, you turn it on. And now when you click on your WP admin, it will send you straight to your dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and we are going to use the dashboard, okay, to design our website. So a lot of confusing stuff here, but we are going to do a lot. In the next 30 minutes, you'll be familiar with the dashboard, and then your website will be live. Now, when we talk of website, so from the definition, we say a website is what? A collection of web pages. So first, we are going to create our pages. Before that, let's clean our dashboard. I don't like this. So let's clean it. Click on the screen option here, and then uncheck all these things. Uncheck them all. Good. Then close it. Now we have a nice dashboard here. So now let's create our pages. We are going to create pages for our school website. So we go to pages. On your left hand corner, you see pages there, and then click on add new pages. Click on add new pages. Let's close this one. Then so our first page will be home page, and then now let's click on publish, and then publish again. So our first home page has been created. Then go back to the dashboard again and click on add a new page. Let's add, so let's say, let me close this and say about us, about us. Then you click on publish, publish again. We can also create a new page here if you don't want to go to, and it's the same thing. So let's click here and say create another page. Let's say curriculum, and then you click on publish, publish. Let's add more page to it. So add new, then Let's add what? Gallery, gallery, and you publish it. Publish it. Let's add another one. That one would be what else? Blog, blog page. Then you publish it. Publish it. Let's add one more. You cannot create a website without having a contact. So let's add our contact. So contact us. Whenever you create a website, you should let people know who you are, when they want to, if they want to reach you, how they can get you. So contact us, and then we publish, and then we publish. Now let us go to our local WP and launch our site again and see how the site look like. Okay, so click on this to open there. So you see we have about us, blog, contact us, curriculum, gallery, home page. Good. Now we are on course. Now let's continue. When you look at the arrangement, they are not in alphabetical order. They are mixed up. So let's arrange them. So let's go. We go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard. And then before that, let's add some themes. Let's add a theme to our WP or WordPress. So go to appearance here and then click on themes. Appearance, click on themes. There are a lot of themes available here. This is what is showing on the page, 2024 one. So there are a lot of themes that are available here. So click on add new theme, and it will direct you to different types of themes that you can choose from. We have different types of themes that you can choose from, and we are going to learn a lot. We'll be using them. We'll be using them to create lot of websites. So the theme that we are going to search for is Astra. So type it here. Okay. Okay. So this is it. Astra. So click on it to install. When you are installing plugins and then themes like this, you need access to internet. Aside that, off your internet and then develop your website. So let's wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so our Astra has been installed. So now let's click on activate to activate it. Good. Now we can do away with these ones. We don't want them again. So click on it to delete them. Click OK. Let's click on this one also. Delete, and okay, you don't want this one. Delete, then click OK. So now let's go back to our back end and then refresh the page and see what happened. See, we have a new yes, and it's nice. It's looking nice. Good. Let's go back to dashboard. Let's do another settings. We are going to that we are going to work on. And let me click on the dashboard. Okay. Let's look at another settings. Let's go to settings. Go to settings. Then under settings, go to general alignment. Let me check. Okay, you can do it. So let's add S and then S to this, and then um, click save change. Okay, so it's asking us to log in again. So admin, then admin. Okay, so change it. Don't want to. Okay, then now let's go to let's look at another one. So writings, readings. Let's go to writings. No, no, not writings. Go to readings. Readings. Okay, here. So here, on your web home page here, see is what latest post. Whenever you open a website, your home page will appear first. So, for instance, like when you go to my website that I'm working on, Nokadigitals, and is the home page that will appear first. So whenever you open a website, your home page will appear like this. Good. So that's what we are trying to do. So here, select static page, and under the home page, let's select home. Whenever you create a new post, so let's select blog to appear on your blog page. Then you scroll down and click on save change. I would like to end here. Please, if you like, you can give us a thumbnail. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Like, comment, and also share for others also to have access to it. Let's end here. You don't want to waste my time, and continue in our next tutorial.